Assuming that you're searching for Star Atlas cost expectations conjecture for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030, and as far as aims and purposes, need to be aware where the costs of Star Atlas will generally go from now on. We will examine the previous costs of Star Atlas, and we'll figure out what specialists essentially are talking about its future cost activities, which is genuinely huge. Kindly remember that you really want to basically take this expectation, and each and every forecast with the goal that this especially is just the idea of some market master investigators, not to especially make reference to foreseeing something so amazing is totally incomprehensible. In any case, we will generally make an honest effort, which truly is very huge. We should start. Star Atlas past value examination. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Star Atlas especially is $0.002, and Atlas is as of now positioned number 665. In the exceptionally whole crypto biological system. The flow supply of Star Atlas generally is 9,803,356,511 with a market cap of $15,690,307. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 0.47% in its exceptionally current worth. Assuming we look at the ongoing business sector cap of the Atlas with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is likewise down amazingly. From sort of most recent 7 days, the Atlas in every way that really matters was an especially great vertical pattern and expanded by 6.25% in an unpretentious manner. Star Atlas has shown areas of strength for exceptionally potential of late, and this could be decent an open door to explicitly dive right in and contribute. Inside the sort of most recent 1 month, the cost of Atlas diminished by 52.465%, wiping out an incredible normal amount of $0.002 from its ongoing worth. This unexpected down explicitly implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can truly be a generally excellent essentially purchase and open door for genuinely fast speculation. The 90 days cost change is near 56.63%. And the cost coursed from a base typical cost of $0.003 to greatest normal cost of $0.004 in the beyond 90 days. Star Atlas is somewhere near 46.56% with the greatest typical cost of the coin was around $0.003 and the base pretty typical value of was around $0.003 in beyond 4 months. We anticipate future Star Atlas cost expectations. Atlas estimate, by applying certainly profound computerized reasoning, helped specialized examination on the past value information of Star Atlas, which generally is genuinely huge. We truly give our altogether most certainly greatest verifiable information for the Atlas coin, which incorporate different boundaries like past value, Star Atlas market cap, Star Atlas volume, and certainly barely any more. Assuming that you are hoping to put resources into computerized digital currencies and essentially need kind of good profit from exceptionally your ventures, make a point to in every practical sense, read our forecasts. Star Atlas value expectation 2023. The cost of Star Atlas sort of is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $0.002 in 2023. The Star Atlas cost could generally arrive at a kind of most extreme worth of $0.002, with the typical exchanging cost of $0.002 all through 2023. Star Atlas value forecast 2024. The cost of Star Atlas basically is anticipated to reach at an especially least worth of $0.003 in 2024, really, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The Star Atlas cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $0.003, with the typical exchanging cost of $0.003 all through 2024. Atlas value figure for 2025. According to the estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2025, the cost of Star Atlas is generally anticipated to truly reach at a genuinely least degree of $0.004, or so they truly thought. The Atlas cost can arrive at a very greatest degree of $0.004, with the really normal exchanging cost of $0.004. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2026. According to the estimate and specialized examination, in 2026, the cost of Star Atlas is supposed to reach at an in every way that really matters, least value worth of $0.005. The Atlas cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0.006, with the typical worth of $0.006. In an unpretentious manner, Star Atlas Value Forecast 2027. The cost of Star Atlas in a real sense is anticipated to sort of reach at a very least degree of $0.008 in 2027, or so they truly thought. The Star Atlas cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.009, with the very normal cost of $0.008 all through 2027. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2028. The cost of one Star Atlas is supposed to reach at an in every practical sense least degree of $0.011 in 2028. The Atlas cost can arrive at a kind of most extreme degree of $0.014, with the typical cost of $0.012, all through 2028. Amazingly, Star Atlas Value Expectation 2029. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Atlas in 2029, the cost of Star Atlas is in every practical sense anticipated to for the most part reach at any rate level of $0.017. The Atlas cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.019, with the typical exchanging cost of $0.017 in an essentially significant manner. In spite of mainstream thinking, Star Atlas Value Estimate 2030. As per our for the most part profound specialized examination on past value information of Atlas in 2030, the cost of Star Atlas in every practical sense is gauged to be at around a truly least worth of $0.024. The Star Atlas value worth can for the most part arrive at a really limit of $0.028, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.025 in United States dollars, which is very huge. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2031. Star Atlas cost is figured to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $0.033 in 2031. According to our discoveries, the Atlas cost could arrive at a sort of most extreme really conceivable degree of $0.041, with the especially normal estimate cost of $0.034 in a sort of significant manner, or so they in every way that really matters thought. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2032. Star Atlas cost for the